Hi, I'm Chris Knight, and I'm going to show you how to create a two-light portrait using one flash and the sun. For this image, I wanted to create light that reminded me of what you see in New York when the sun bounces off glass buildings and gives these unique glowing pockets of light. The early afternoon sun is high and behind the subject, camera left, providing the rim light. A Profoto B10 Plus and a medium Profoto Umbrella Deep White illuminate the subject from camera right, giving a light quality similar to the kind that bounces off the buildings, soft with just a little contrast. Because the Profoto B10 Plus is so compact, it was easy to keep it mobile and move with our subject. I chose a wide aperture of f3.6 to separate him from the birds in the background and a very fast shutter speed of 1/1250th of a second to freeze the birds in motion. I use an Air Remote TTL for Fuji and high-speed sync that paired with my Fuji GFX 100. Hope you've enjoyed how to create a two-light portrait using the sun in one flash. Check out profoto.com for more behind-the-scenes content of the shoot.